Hi everybody, this is Julie Quinn here. I am creating a video for Nova students, and this video specifically will show you how to use the inbox that's built into Canvas and then how to get it to push any announcements and any messages into your student email. Your professor should be embedding this video into an announcement or maybe showing it at the beginning of class, and this should be quick and easy. No, you have access to the inbox and it's in this blue menu bar here on the left-hand side. Everybody's got this. It is not exactly your Nova email, but you can make it mirror your Nova email. So in case your professor uses this to reach out to you, the message will appear here in the inbox, but we can also push it to your VCCS email address. So let me show you how to do that. We can do that for emails, and I can also show you how to do it for announcements. So anytime your professor sets up or posts an announcement, you'll get that in your email just as a backup. So if you check your email every day, you know that you're up to date with what's going on in case you don't want to log on to the website. All right. So the first thing you do, instead of going into your inbox, you actually go to the account option. So click on account and then choose your notifications. All right. So within notifications, you'll see there's two sets of columns. One says email address J. Quinn. That's my faculty. You should see your email address with your email.vccs.edu embedded here. And there are ways to change that to a personal address as well. But for now, leave it with your school address. The second column over here says push notification for all devices. This includes an iPad or your phone. If you're using the Canvas app for students, I would recommend it. Then we can have both of these pushed into email, and we get push notifications, just like somebody would be sending you a text message. And that actually would be really helpful, I think. The first place I want to show you is conversations. This mirrors the inbox. So this is, I wish it was called inbox, but this is conversations is the inbox. So you want to you may at the moment have something set up here with these X's, which means you're going to get no email notification of any inbox messages. Take it from the X mark to the check mark, which means if you were added to like a group conversation, if a message was sent to you and ones that you create. So those are those three categories. I've chosen the check mark here to get it to my official school email. And I've chosen the check mark here to get a notification on my phone because I have Canvas for Teachers app. And hopefully you have Canvas for Students app. Okay, so that's what these check marks here in conversation are about. The other one that I think that you would want to choose is the same settings for announcement. You see how I have the check mark. If an announcement you may not have one created by you as a student, so this one doesn't really apply. You can leave that just like that, but you at least want those announcements pushed into your email and pushed onto your devices. So if you keep your iPad nearby, you keep your phone nearby, even if you have an Android, you can have that app and you can get little notifications like text messages. And it keeps you in the loop for, say, your professor cancels class, or assignment reading dates or readings themselves have changed. You stay up to date with everything and you don't miss out on what's going on. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. I'll have my email address in the information in the video in case you have any questions. You're more than welcome to reach out to me as well. Good luck with your classes.